Hey everybody, I'm Preston with Presto Dent Repair. Today I'm going to be showing you a video of a repair we did on a 2018 Infiniti Q50S. Now this vehicle has some body damage on the passenger front fender. The bottom edge of the fender is stretched from the initial impact, and it's also removed some paint from the front bumper and also the fender. Now, the customer has specified that they don't want any Bondo on the vehicle, so we're gonna repair the fender with 100% PDR, doing the best we can with that stretched metal, and then also we're gonna go over with the coat of paint on the bumper and fender itself, better known as a hybrid repair. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Thank you so much for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed the show. If you like what you saw, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We'll be showing more videos like this shortly. And once again, thank you so much. And always remember, we are PDR.